Welcome, everyone. Today, we delve into the realm of formal writing and explore the art of using the present continuous tense. Picture this: you're crafting a report, a research paper, or a business proposal. How can the present continuous elevate your writing to new heights of sophistication and clarity? Let's find out. In the realm of formal writing, the present continuous tense serves a vital purpose. It allows us to describe ongoing research or experiments with precision and accuracy. Imagine painting a vivid picture of scientists diligently working in the lab, unraveling the mysteries of the universe with each passing moment. The researchers are currently investigating the effects of climate change, you might write, capturing the essence of continuous exploration and discovery. But wait, there's more. The present continuous also helps us explain current trends or developments in a dynamic and engaging manner. Whether you're analyzing market shifts, societal changes, or technological advancements, this tense breathes life into your words. The company is expanding its operations to meet growing demand, you could declare, showcasing the forward momentum and about outlining ongoing projects or initiatives. By harnessing the power of the present continuous, you can convey a sense of progress, momentum, and dedication. Whether it's a community initiative, a research endeavor, or a creative endeavor, this tense shines a spotlight on the continuous journey towards a brighter future. So, remember these key tips. Use the present continuous to describe ongoing actions or situations with finesse and clarity. Avoid the temptation to use it for completed actions or general truths, as that's where other tenses come into play. Embrace the present continuous as your ally in the realm of formal writing, guiding your readers through a world of constant motion and evolution. In conclusion, mastering the art of using the present continuous in formal writing opens up a world of possibilities for expression, precision, and engagement. So go forth, dear writers, and let the present continuous infuse your words with vitality and purpose. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. Until next time, keep writing with passion and purpose.